I'm ready. I'm ready now. Holy moly. I'll tell you, waking up to these alerts was it was a fun experience. What's up, James? How you doing? Yeah, we do have a crypto bloodbath this morning. This is absolutely insane. All because like the government might shut down. What does crypto have to care about that? I don't know. I don't get it. But hey, here we are. Here we are. Bitcoin took a nice dive. Yo, what's up, Flip Coins? How you doing? How you doing? Oh man. All right, guys. So I got like maybe 2 hours in me right now. So we're gonna just dive into this stuff. Whew. It is like what, 5 days before Christmas? Are we serious? And we're dumping like this? It is literally 5 days before Christmas. Tesla's still mooning? Is it really? Wow. Wow. Well, it makes sense if Tesla's mooning, because Tesla is literally the one who said, kill this bill. You were down $75 this morning on it? Oh, dang. Average down? Nice. Not bad, not bad. I guess we'll have to take a look at your little stock there, too. Now you're back even. You're break even right now? Oh, dang. Hold on, I gotta get my morning energy fizz. I don't drink coffee, so I drink this very healthy energy fizz. And it tastes really good. I just can't stand the taste of coffee, you know? I don't like it. I don't like it. Alright, we got our notepad out. We're good. We're ready. Going into Bitcoin right now on the 4 hour. Big deal what it did. Big deal. It broke support at 95,692. We were talking about this last night. We really didn't want to fall under that. Shar, good morning. Hello there. Thought you forgot about the stream. Maybe I just streamed too late for you. I don't know. But, good to see you in the chat. Good to see you. Alright, so really bad thing we did is we broke down from this channel. Now, what I would expect is a backtest of the channel bearishly. Honestly, I would expect that. You'd see everybody saying, we're back, baby, but I don't know. I don't know. Also, apparently there was massive outflows in our spot ETFs for Bitcoin, so that might be contributing to the sell pressure. Anyways, on the daily, we did something great. So where we did something bad, we did something very good as well. We're finding support almost at that 50 simple moving average. This is the first time in this entire run that we've even tried to test it. And the last time we tested it was back in October. So, James Hong, what is up? How you doing? Welcome in, welcome in. So yeah, this is looking pretty solid right now. I'm a teacher on break. I've been watching silently. Oh, I got you. All right. My bad, Shar, my bad. Well, thank you for the viewership all the same. Hopefully you guys are smashing the like button. Greatly appreciate it. Honestly, bull market over? James, no. No. So the one thing everybody's freaking out about is this pullback. It's not really over. It's just now slightly not overextended. That's all that happened. Sorry for the thumbnail, guys. I definitely used the clickbait on this one, so sorry everyone. Anyways, what's poppin', my man? How's your day? Day is good. Day's just started. It is 5:50 a.m. for me. I'm putting in the work, guys. Hopefully you guys notice it. Hopefully. Bull market just beginning. Exact. Bull market is just beginning. Simply, thank you for answering. No problem, James. No problem. How do you expect them to buy at 100K? I mean, they will. They will. It will happen. I'm not saying we're going to have a very good day today. We're probably going to see prices fall throughout the day. And then maybe leading into tomorrow. But I don't think anyone should be worried while we're still above our 50 simple moving average on the daily. Should not be scared at all. And you can see how much buying pressure was sitting down here. That was astronomically crazy. That was actually crazy. Like Wall Street, don't end it by getting slightly lower prices. That's true. That's very true. Also, today is the CME futures expiration. So yeah. Once I'm out of the red, I'm donating. I respect your hustle. James, no problem at all. I mean, I'm here to help out all of you. I actually make money trading. I don't know if you guys know this. I make money trading. I also make money holding. So like, yes, this stream is for profit, but it's not like my income. So don't feel pressured into donating. I want the channel to be successful and then one day run it like a proper channel. That's really what I want. Lots of YouTubers saying we top first quarter 25. What's your take on that possibility? I don't know. I have no idea. I just read the chart. I don't know. You just out of your 9 to 5 and everyone is so scared about the pullback. Yeah, everyone's really scared about this one. I don't think you should be. So, I mean, if you just zoom out to the daily, your daily looks absolutely fine. The last time our relative strength was at the levels we are at currently, price was $59,437. I think we're okay for now. I got this feeling we are okay for now. I mean, 60,000, 95,000. I think we're doing okay. You should not be 100%. Never 100%. Never 100%. But like, I think we're okay. The bull run just starting. I mean, sort of. Alright, so right now on the daily, we do have this downtrending level of resistance. This is causing some issues for us in the short term, but as soon as we can break back up, we're doing good. Buy the dip, like they all say. Well, I'm not saying that either. I'll never tell somebody to buy the dip. I will just do technicals, and you guys can make your own assessment afterwards. The assessment you need to make right now is the fact that you have one low, another low, and you didn't touch it for the third time. Now you could be setting up a higher low. If we do set up a higher low, we can get rid of this channel completely, and then we could just focus in on, oh, this looks a lot more like a bullish pattern, where we then will assess this thing could be just trying to hold the 618. If we are holding the 618, we're looking for our next target up at 119,625. That higher low is a really big deal. I think I sold the bottom. Oh no, lifestyle. Don't do that. Don't do that. Can I please take a look at ETH and SI? Sure. I don't know what SI is, but sure. Is it SI or SUI? I understand SUI. I don't know what SI is. Alright, so needless to say, if we are putting in a higher low than these previous two lows, this is hyper bullish simply because we're resetting our indicators. That's all that happened. Resetting the indicators, and we could be seeing Bitcoin go on a rally. Anywhere between 25 to 40% upside. Take a look at Sol and ETH on the 4-hour and daily. Yeah, sure. I go from high to low. You know this. I go from high to low. Crispy, you want the ICP? Got you. I not only look at the daily, I look at the weekly, I look at the 4-hour, I look at the 1-hour, I look at the 15. We're at market open. I'm going to be looking for trade entries. Normally, I'm not live for this. If I'm staring at the charts this early in the morning, I'm looking for trade entries. That's all I'm looking for. So you guys are going to get the whole shebang here. Market opens are really fun, especially on the 5-minute time frame. Really fun to trade. So I think today could turn into a 10x day if I'm being honest. Yes, sir. Thanks. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Let me continue with my energy fizz here because I don't drink coffee. Anyways. On the 4-hour time frame, we got into oversold territory. What I would like to see now is anywhere between a higher low or even a slightly lower low but bullish divergence. That's what I would really like to see out of Bitcoin. We did lose our 200 simple moving average on the 4-hour, and we bearishly backtested. This is where the worry comes in, so that we could end up seeing prices come down to a 50% retrace at 87,644. Still would be completely bullish. Completely. It would scare the absolute hell out of everybody, but it would be super bullish still. check virtual and XLM. Alrighty, we'll throw it in. I don't know what virtual is. Is that the ticker? Virtual? Virtual. Okay, sure. All right, on the 4 hour, we are still in that oversold territory. The Bears are in full control. Your CCI indicator is basically saying, hey, it's time to start jumping into this thing on the 4 hour. Yes. Oh wow, that's a crazy indicator. You do have bullish divergence. Hey, what's up? First time watching you live. Excited to catch the stream. Game Clock, thank you so much for coming into the Twitch stream. Appreciate you. We are also live on YouTube, so if you feel like moseying over, you can. It's kind of like a ghost town over there on Twitch, so if you feel lonely, come on over. We do have bullish divergence on the 1 hour time frame, so I am expecting a higher low to come in sometime soon for Bitcoin going into the 15 minute. We put in nope, no bullish divergence. Son of a bitch. Thank you. No problem, Game Clock. No problem. Sadly, no bullish divergence for the 15 minute, and we're getting into that high territory on the CCI indicator. This could indicate that we see another leg down. That's a shame. We could literally sell off right now. If this does sell off, fib levels we're looking at in the very short term, we're looking to come down to $90,588. So this could very well happen. That would be a decline of about 4.92%. How's crypto market going? Game Clock, we're in the trenches out here on the crypto market. It's rough out here. We are getting sold off like the ugly stepchild that decided to steal from the main family. It looks terrible. Anyways, so we could very possibly see another leg down. Which also, as I said at the beginning here, looking at the 4 hour, I would love to see a slightly lower low while putting in some bullish divergence. This is how it can happen. So right now, your 15 minute is basically giving you the signal that 95,692 could be resistance. On your 5 minute time frame, it is saying sell, 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 baby. So 5 minute time frame, it literally hit your red line up here on the CCI indicator, indicate, hey, great time to take some profits. If you're in any longs, jump on out. Might want to let it drop. Good morning. Are we still going down? Max, that's basically what I'm looking at. It looks like we could be going down. Could be. We could also set a higher low. We're in limbo because we have not touched our trend line yet. The fact that we haven't touched our trend line and we have room to reset our indicators, we could be going up. We could be going up. So we're in limbo. We don't know. We do not know. But let's go ahead and check out our liquidation heat map. On these liquidations, what could we see in the next 24 hours? Oh boy, it dipped in here slightly. So some of this $92 million could have possibly gotten sold off. But since we still see it there, maybe that is just where the longs are sitting. If this price does come back down to where I'm thinking, it is going to steal all this money. These bears are out for blood. Noted, if we get the price to move back up to 99,493, the shorts will get toasted. $75 million sitting up there, ready to get liquidated. If we go out to our weekly time frame, there is no liquidity below us. Everything is above us. So this right here shows over the weekend, we should see a strong bounce. But once again, we're on Friday. This could get crazy. It's over the heat map. Oh shit. Sorry. See, I used to have my thing a little bit lower where we could end up seeing it properly, and yeah, just god damn it. Hold on. I got you. Somebody was mad because I couldn't see the price action when it was on the charts. Sorry, my bad. All right, so this is what I'm seeing out of the heat maps here. There we go. What I'm seeing out of the heat maps, there's no liquidity below us at all down here on the weekly. It is gone. There's nothing. No one's going long on the weekly. You only have shorts to get liquidated. That is it. But if you look at the daily time frame, the daily, No, not the 48. Who does that? If you look at the daily time frame, you still have this pocket of liquidity sitting down here at $92,300. If the bears wanted to, they can go down, take it, and then see that price rally. So it should be a very interesting day today. It should be very interesting. I can't wait till the market opens. It is about 30 minutes until market open. This is going to be an insanely volatile day. But right now, as I said before, we could see this thing fall all the way down to $90,554. If we go back to that heat map, yeah, we would be liquidating all of these longs at 92,300. So that would suck. That would just suck if it happens. That'd be terrible. All right, that's Bitcoin in the hole. If we can get back above 95,692, your next overhead resistance is sitting at $98,009. I'm beginning to think that's not going to happen right now. Yeah, that's a bearish back test if I've ever seen it. What time the market open? It is open in 30 minutes. 28 minutes. U.S. market opens. 28 minutes. All right, moving into the request. Let's jump into Ethereum next. Ethereum. I'm sure this thing got devastated. Oh, it did. It's below. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right. So Ethereum, we have not touched our support level, sitting at 3,054. Yo, I've never seen you on this early. Orlando. You missed out on some great days on Twitch. You missed out. How you doing, Orlando? Welcome in. Dr. Techno Crypto Market Shakeout. What's up? Yo, it's shaking. It's shaking. These trees are shaking. Right now on the daily also, we do have this honorable mention of former resistance could be flipping as resistance again. Honorable mention. We got to pay attention to it. It's local. We also have this level that's a little bit closer that we're below as well. Jeez. So right now, Ethereum has a lot of work to do. You're not oversold yet. That's good to hear. Yeah. Yeah. So not oversold yet, but we are holding above not only our 200 daily moving average, but also this 3,054 level. I'm going to keep my eyes on this level of support here. If we can close the day above this level of support at 3,322, Ethereum looking bullish as hell. Looking great. What has been the best moment today? What do you mean, game clock? Best moment today? I just woke up. It's 6 a.m. for me. Best moment was, I don't know, going to the bathroom? I don't have much day to talk about. Maybe taking a shower? Yeah, I did take a shower already. That's partially why I got on late. I was in the shower. I'm sorry. Sorry everyone for letting you down. I was 15 minutes late for my projection on over on Discord. By the way, everybody, Discord is free. You all should jump in there. Probably waking up. Yeah, I mean, what? I don't know what else I'm supposed to say to that. All right, now looking at your 4-hour time frame, you are, whoa, oversold on Ethereum. Holy moly. Last time you were this oversold on Ethereum, all the way back here, holy moly. Price was sitting at $2,118 on the 4-hour. Last time you were this oversold. You're already awake at 11 hours and work 8.5 hours? El Padre, what part of the world are you in? I'm in Southern California. I don't even know what you're doing. Bro, my Cardano long got liquidated at 4 a.m. last night. Banana Republic, that is rough. That is rough. This is also why you use stop losses. Lesson learned. Stop losses are important. The market forgot its pad last night because it's bleeding pretty bad. It is. Gotta pull out some adult diaper. I got a spider next to me. Wow. Do I have tissue around me? I do. Don't you love it when you're like a random daddy long leg just coming down into your line of sight? Oh no, you're not getting away from me, buddy. You are not getting away from me. I didn't think this through. I did not think this through. Oh, there we go. We got it. We got it. Nah, I don't use stop losses or condoms. 2 rules I live by. That's rough, Banana Republic. Well, that's kind of rough. What? That's wild. Jeez. Gonna have kids everywhere. All right. Anyways, so Ethereum, if we can get back above, first off, 3,322, we then need to fight to get back above these 2 levels of resistance at 3,629. Ethereum has a lot of work to do, but you are oversold on the 4-hour, so expect a solid bounce. Sometime between tomorrow, later today, something. I don't know why Tesla and Nvidia are going up at the same time. Crazy. Usually doesn't happen. Who knows? If you want, we can check those charts out. If you want, we can see where they're headed. All right, now on your 1-hour time frame, there's no bullish divergence. Are we serious? That's cool. I also don't take any trades or get any. That's pretty funny. So it's all relatively safe, to be honest. That's pretty funny. Yeah, Republic, that's great. Got liquidated from Unix Link with your short as well with $35. Unix Link, that thing shot up like crazy. I don't even know what that project is, but I just saw it on my watch list and I was like, why is it pumping? That's insane. Okay, here's a different look on Ethereum. Do you have Discord? My connection is not good. I do have Discord. I'm not streaming live in Discord, but yes, I do have Discord. You can get live trade setups. Not really live trade. You can get trade setups in there pretty darn often. Discord is completely free. I don't charge anything for it. Might be a good opportunity for some people to jump in. Ew, Ethereum looks gross. Connected with Link? Wait, you connected with Link, really? It's connected with Link? Okay. I'm afraid to log into your ledger. Oh, you're afraid to log into your ledger. That's pretty funny. Drop your Discord username, or should I drop? No, there's a link also in the panels below game. There's a link to my Discord. You can just join the Discord. Oof. Okay, Ethereum, currently speaking, is setting up for more downside. Ugh. On the 15-minute, you're looking at the possibility of another 9.25% downside? Are we serious? Let's hope that's not true. Good God, that's terrible. Anyways, that's what I'm seeing out of the 15-minute. Let's hope for a trend reversal instead. And I think you, I think you didn't saw the message from, oh, you're from Germany? I didn't see that. No, I didn't. Why are you streaming at 9 a.m. instead of 9 p.m.? Banana Republic. I was live last night. Now I know that you were not in the stream. I said I was going to be live for Market Open, and here we are. We are live for Market Open. I'm a man of my word here, all right? This might be a for-profit stream, but also I'm out here for the people, okay? Just remember that. Also, can we get a like spike, everybody? Can we get a like? We got 19 viewers, and we got like 9 likes. I feel like we could get 10 more likes. I really do think we can if we all hold our hands together and pray. Anyways, thanks in advance. Oh, damn, caught red-handed. Yeah, Banana Republic. Jeez. I understand it was members only night, but sheesh. Everybody can view it. Everybody can see it. You just can't talk. All right, so Ethereum right now, if I was to enter a short, I would need a stop loss 34.24, and I would be looking for this thing to lose 9% downside. Ethereum not looking good on the 15-minute whatsoever. Looking like a continuation to the downside. Be careful on Ethereum. Be very careful. And if Bitcoin is supposed to start dropping, this thing could drop like a stone today. Yikes. Anyways, going into C. I don't know what C is. Seal with hat. Are we serious? Porky Flounder, his legs are shaking for the market open. He can't wait. Need to stream, right? I'm just ready. I'm ready. I'm out here. This is a terrible chart. There's no way. Hold on. Is there somewhere else with more volume or something? No, this is it's only on Mech C. What? Who wanted this? This is a weird chart, but we'll dive into it. Well, oh god. I guess you're at an entry. You dropped a few stones before juping on? Wait, what? Oh, you went to the bathroom. Got it, Orlando. Got it. Goodness gracious. Dropped a few stones. Jeez. Ugh. Ugh. The seed. Ugh. We don't even know if it's at its all-time lows or not. Damn. Rough times for the C token. Do you think this is just a dead cat bounce from the inflation data? Wait, we got inflation data today? Because I thought this is over the government shutdown. Shoot. If there's more problems with the data, this is going to be real bad. Could CSPR fall back under 1 cent? I don't know. We're going to check it out just for you. CSPR. Is that a stock or a crypto? I don't know what that is. Although I've been up for a few hours and the pump began like an hour and a half before CPI data came out. Oh, CPI data is coming out today, or it came out today? I don't even know what those numbers are. Hold on, let me see. Oh, we don't get new CPI data until the 15th. We got CPI data on the 11th. We're good. There's no CPI data. We're good. All right. Going to the daily for this C token. Seal with hat. Weird. Weird. You are below any reasonable level of support. So naturally, like that's your lowest level of support that you're breaking right now. So naturally, you're going to look to see if you find some support at 1134 if this doesn't hold for the day. Crypto Casper. Oh, I got you. We will check out Casper. Gotcha. Going into the 4-hour. 4-hour time frame, you're looking desolate. You've jumped up just enough to get out of oversold territory to allow you to fall further. I would be looking for support at 11.34. If you don't hold this 11.34, you're going into price discovery to the downside. Let's just hope you hold 8.78. So seal with hat looking terrible. Absolutely terrible. Doesn't look good. Yeah, just doesn't look good. Hopefully that helps you out with your seal with hat, but you're really looking to try and hold support. Don't get lower than this 8.7, 8.54, 8. Whatever this wick low is, don't get below that. Just don't do that. And you should be okay. If you're accumulating this token, great accumulation range. Great accumulation range in hopes for a better tomorrow. Great accumulation range. All right, moving right along. Getting out of here from the meme coin. Going to Solana. Solana, I believe, lost some serious support, which, oof. Are we getting back above it? We are. Let's go, Solana. Another weird thing. I put in that idea of a short last night. Well, you would have profited. So there's that. That's kind of nice that it played out, but also kind of shitty. Anyways, on the daily, you're testing your 200 daily moving average. You really want to maintain price above 179.91. You're currently in this downtrend, so even if you get a rally, you're looking to only get up somewhere in the neighborhood of $216. So looking a little rough out here for the Solana on the daily, but it is giving you a buy signal on your CCI indicator. You are not oversold just yet on the relative strength for the daily. So be careful there. Let's check your 4-hour. 4-hour, you are oversold and you're bouncing back. Looks like you're trying to retake the channel. Great to see. Did you really hit the 1618? Holy shit. That was one hell of a move. All right, anyways. You're getting a buy signal on the 4-hour, which is really nice to see. Catching the 1-hour. 1-hour time frame. Do we have it? Do we have it? We got bullish divert just barely. Holy shit. just barely, but we got bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Nice to see it. People must be a little scared to jump into some Solana right now. Damn. I'd be expecting it over the day to get back to this demand line here, which I didn't draw properly, so that's on me. But I would expect it to get back to this demand line. From there, if it manages to break out, awesome. Add you on Discord, game clock, I'm not going to lie to you. I add nobody on Discord. That's not going to happen. I'm sorry to say. What I can do for you, though, is drop a link right now. So here you go. Here is a special link just for you. Hidden use copy button. Wait, what? God damn it. Okay, did I do it? I don't know. We're about to see if I did it. But here you are. No, I didn't. Why the fuck can't I see it? Hold on. Hold on. I can do this. I can do this. Edit it to never. Generate link. Why are you hidden? This thing won't let me get out of the hidden. Maybe I'll do it in general. Can I do it here? Alright, link. Huh. What if I post it in here? That's so weird. It's not letting me link it right there. Hold on, I'll get the link for you. I got you. So weird. It was so strange to me. So very strange. Alright, there you go, game clock. That is the link to my Discord. Jump on in there. I don't add anybody in Discord. I'll be completely honest with you. I don't add anyone. I try not to message anyone. So if you get messages and you think it's me, it's not me. There are scammers out there, so don't get scammed. 22 viewing, only 12 likes. If you guys could help me out, hit that like button if you haven't done so. That'd be amazing. Anyways, getting back into the stream. Now, looking at this, we made our full measured move. We even almost got to the 1618. That is craziness. Absolute craziness. We can now get rid of this, and we can see if we have a new downtrend. Oh, we broke out of it. That's nice. Solana trying to do something. Trying desperately hard to break out. Let's go into your 15-minute. Smash the like. What's up, Trade? How you doing? How you doing? I need to get Solana next week for meme coin trading. It needs to drop further, maybe to $100 again. El Padre, I don't think you're getting that $100 evaluation. I don't think you're gonna get that. But I wish you the best of luck in it. So right now, Solana is finding a lot of resistance at this previous support, sitting at 189.41. If it cannot break above that, we're going to have some problems. We could see Solana take another leg down. Right now, that would be looking at something kind of like this. You could see Solana go down to 170 if we start breaking down. Well, I'm still up. Rich, you're still up? That's wild. Nice. Like button smashed. ICP update. We'll check out some ICP again. We'll check it out again. Oh, wait. We're checking it out next. So, yes, we will. Not even again. We'll check it out next. I liked first place before your first message came in the chat. Wait. Nice. Rule number one. Yes, rule number one. The $100 was a joke, but I hope it doesn't rise up again until next Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, I think it will. I think it will. That's only a thought. It's not guaranteed. But right now, you are currently broken out. This is nice to see, because with this breaking out, we can now look at what a 50% retrace would look like from the higher move. So with this, we'll be looking at this right here. So possibly we'll see Solana get back up to 193, and then the further up we go, the better. I wanted to get longs before you went to bed. Oh, I gotcha. I gotcha. But right now, Solana could see a rise of about 2.85%. And at that point, you would be in this trading range. We'll see if you roll over from there or not. But yeah, Solana has some work to do. Otherwise, we could be seeing $165 by the end of the day. That would be detrimental. That'd be terrible. Because we would also completely lose this structure. That would be awful. Just say it will go down to $1 again. Oh god. Like last bull run? That'd be wild. Never enough dry powder. Easy Eats. What is up? How you doing? I'm sure everybody was getting pissed off at me when I was saying take profits 3 weeks ago. But then you get days like today where you're like, oh, if I had some profits, I'd be buying this dip. But a lot of people don't take profits. So it is what it is. All I can do is try and talk about it. I am but a shell of myself. What is up, JMD? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. So yeah, on the daily right now, Solana looks okay, but on the shorter time frames, you could see this thing pull down a little bit further. We really have to see what comes. The market opens in about 7 minutes. Let's try and cover ICP before market opens, because once market opens, we're going to go back to Bitcoin. I want to know what the market's going to be doing with it, see what the volatility is, and then we'll go back into all the requests, all right? Hopefully that's okay with you guys, because I'm okay with it. You left 130 on your crypto part of Robinhood? Did you really? Wow. No. Give me back my level. All right. So right now, ICP did a great job. We tested the 898. So I mentioned this yesterday. If you lost 990, you're going to 898. And what did we do? We went to 898. I was thinking, hey, maybe the bears weren't going to be mean. They were. They were really mean. So that 898 did happen. We're technically putting in a higher low though. So the higher low is still in place. Feel bad for all the bag holders. Never feel bad for them. They all should know that taking profits is smart. It's not your fault, their exit liquidity. It's not your fault. No, we're not okay with that. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. But anyways, ICP, you did hit support. All you need to do on the daily, hold support. That's all you got to do. Just hold support. You are in a very sharp downtrend, but on your daily, you're not oversold. You're getting a buy signal on the CCI indicator, hitting that red line, so that's okay. You got a cast long. Nice. Actual bottom. An ADA at like 80 cents. Not bad considering you were also panic selling spot stuff at the time you bought back. That's wild. Bears were so rude last night. They were insane last night. I was almost bag holder of AMD. Oof. That would have been tough. That would have been tough. AMD has been selling off like crazy. Alright, anyways. Looking at this as a new downtrend here. Let's look at it like this. Very sharp downtrend. You were down 100. If I kept it, I'd be down like 300 though. Sheesh. Hey, sometimes you gotta cut your losses and just hope for the best. Checking out your 1 hour time frame right now. We do not, I repeat, do not have bullish divergence. That sucks. All we have is reaccumulation. Kind of bearish in my opinion, especially as you're testing a former level of support as resistance. That's not great. Looking at your 15 minute didn't even want to give you bullish divergence. That's ridiculous. Damn. We could see another leg down. It's very possible. Don't get mad at the messenger. It's very possible, but as long as on the daily you stay above 898, so end of day, 4 p.m. my time, as long as you stay above this 898, you're okay. You're okay. But in the meantime, intraday, you could see ICP fall as low as 835. That's a big drop. That's a big drop. It is possible though. What I would prefer to see is a higher low. That would be great. If we can get a higher low and then start making our way up to this overhead demand line, that would be phenomenal. Because if that does happen, you could see ICP rally 22%. Is it likely to happen today? No, not likely. but it's possible. Still not likely. This is just hopium. It is all hopium to help you, like, not panic. That's all it is. Currently speaking, you do have a supply line. As soon as you break the supply line, you're kind of looking for this price to fall. You're testing it right now, but this is a very sharp bounce back, so you are expecting to roll over as soon as you break it. So keep that in mind while looking at this on a bearish backtest. And the 5-minute is not telling you to sell just yet. It's not telling you to sell yet. So if you did get into a long down here at 898, you'd be sticking it out right now. Be sticking it out. So right now, ICP is just catching a little bit of a bounce. We definitely have to see how this market's going to open, if they're going to keep trying to sell off like crazy, or what's going to happen. But on your 4-hour time frame, it's showing we should, I'm saying should, be going up later today and or even tomorrow. Because your 4-hour is oversold. It is very oversold. Alright, right now we have 3 minutes until market open. I guess we can try looking at XLM, and then we'll go see the market open. XLM holding, so didn't even test it. What the fuck? We were looking for support down here at 3083. That's really where we wanted some support. Didn't touch it yet. Didn't touch it. That's crazy. We were expecting a bounce to the upside because we were on major support. We lost major support. Is the only stream today? Is this the only stream today? No, Rich. I'm still going to be live tonight. We're doing 2 streams today. 2 streams. I'm out here dishing out the value. Out here dishing it out. Fed's preferred inflation gauge says price increases fell in November. Oh, we didn't get CPI data. We got PPI, or the PCE data. Yeah, we got the PCE data. So today, year over year for November, it was 2.4%. Below expected was 2.5%. The core PCE index was at 2.8%, which is below the expected 2.9%. PCE price index November month over month was... What the fuck? Why are we getting all these weird things? All right, we got a 0.1% below the expected 0.2%. Then core PCE price index was 0.1%, which was below expectations of 0.2%. So basically, Wall Street was freaking out just before these numbers came out. Crazy. Chat, hit the sub button. Trying to hit 1K. We are trying to hit 1K. So if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Please. That would be fantastic. 18 likes on the stream. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Some of you are holding out, but I do appreciate you. All right, anyways. Do we have market open right now? Market is currently open right at this moment. XLM is doing absolutely nothing about it. Terrible. You have support sitting here. If we lose the 3083 level, we could very well see this thing fall down to 1972. Keep this in mind. It shot up way too fast. I was saying this back when everybody was telling me buy XRP and XLM right now, and I was like, I would never buy at these prices. I need a pullback. These are the types of pullbacks I was looking for. If we look at the 4-hour time frame right here, you can see we're holding support on what could be deemed as a bull flag. But we are way too deep into it, so now we're just looking at the possibility of this thing getting a lower high before rolling over. Read your last message, El Padre. You have the entry at XLM at 445. Sheesh. That's rough. That's rough. For a long, you're on a long? Oh no. Jonathan, how you doing? Welcome in. Hello there. Hello there. Anyways, Now, right now, objectively looking at this on the 4-hour, we do have a very distinct downtrend. So we have to break out of that. We have to confirm a low. We have to do a lot of things. On the 4-hour time frame, we are putting in bullish divergence. So this is great. On a very good day, maybe we go test the top of this range, getting back up to 43.74. Oof. You going long at 44.5, that is scary. Actually, like actual scary. Going into your 1 hour, no bullish divergence. You just are trying to get a higher low. That's all you're trying to do. So, best of luck to those waiting for that. Looking at the 15 minute. 15 minute is going to give us a different downtrend here. Let's see where it's at. We technically broke out of one, but now we're just looking for that 50% retrace before rolling over. Oh, big hell no. Hey, man. Is what it is, man. It is what it is. I'm just reading the chart. I'm not trying to like will this into reality. Just reading the chart here. So I would objectively look at this right here as our new downtrend. Let's see if we can break out. The FOMO kicked in on you on XLM. It kicked in on a lot of people. I was actually getting hate from people telling me like you shouldn't tell people not to buy this thing, and I was like, are you dumb? I'm gonna keep saying don't buy it because it's trash at these prices. There's no value. Yeah, I was getting legitimate hate, and I was like, goodness gracious, y'all need to chill out. All right, cool. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm dead. All right, Rich, I appreciate you stopping in here. Get some sleep. You're gonna be all right. Today is one of those days that if you can't handle the market, just go take a nap. Don't look at your portfolio. Chill out. All right, XLM, even if it does come up, you're going to find some resistance at 3.555. So that's kind of a shame. I would be looking for a resistance right now on XLM. 5-minute time frame, you're probably really high. Let me see the CCI. Come on now, load in. Oh, CCI is telling you to go long. You're catching bids. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. We're going to have to see what happens. Sleep it off. Exactly, Orlando. Sleep it off. You'll be all right. So we're covering XLM. We got to check out Virtual and CSPR. Let's go check out Bitcoin real fast before we do that. But XLM, if you don't break this downtrend, you could see prices going down to $29.49. Haven't slept yet, bud. Remember, later, get some sleep, man. Get some sleep. It's needed. Go to bed. We could see a demand line test, 4.8% upside. People should take care about what they say. I mean, it's my and their own problem. Yeah, that's true. That's very true. Now, the amount of hate I was getting, though, on people talking about, like, oh, you should buy XRP when it was up at, like, its highs, I was sitting there like, that's a terrible idea. That's dumb. Why would you do that? That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous advice. No. Why do you dislike people so much? And then, yeah, and then prices started pulling back, and they're like, buy now. It's about to go up to whatever price. I'm like, I mean, it's still in play, but chill out. Why they blame other people for their own mistakes? I'll stay for BTC if it's real quick. Yeah, it is quick. We're about to go to BTC right now. Well, everybody wants a scapegoat. Everybody wants somebody to blame for anything that goes wrong. So it's the easiest thing to blame someone else based off your misinformation, miscommunication, bad idea, something like that. It's way easier to blame someone else rather than just look inward and be like, you know what? I messed up. It's way easier. So that's usually why people do it. I don't blame them. You know, the world has catered to that for so many years that it's like, oh, they think it's normal. It's not okay. It's none of that, but it's the world we have to live by. All right, Bitcoin right now on the 5-minute, it is struggling to stay above 95,692. Your 5-minute time frame is not saying it's time to sell, but it's saying it could be. Right now on your 15-minute, this is what we're really going to focus in on. You're in that territory that does say going short is an okay idea. That is rough. I'm saying it's an okay idea. It's not saying it's a great idea. It's really not. So we could see more upside. We could see a back test up to 98,009. It's all very possible right now to both sides. Let's check out your 1 hour. Checking out the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is getting out of oversold territory, so that is most likely what's going to happen. We should see a breakout. We should see a back test of support, and then let's see what happens around that $98,009. That is right now our major support / resistance. Sure it is, but those people have bigger problems in their head. You're right. You are 100% right. Is what it is, though. Is what it is. All right, so right now on the 1 hour time frame, the short is still in play. You're fighting against resistance, but you are expecting this thing to go up. The expectation is there. Anybody on the 5-minute time frame would probably be looking to put in some longs right now. So you have a level of support. You have this level down here at 94,753 that you could put a stop loss. So you would be looking for that to hold. And to the upside right now, you would be looking for a very modest $96,409. Very modest. If it continues and you do get the breakout, 97,166 would be a great idea for closing that long. Great idea for it. This right here is why I love market open, is because you see such wild volatility. It is amazing. Absolutely amazing. But since we did get great core PCE numbers, we beat expectations. People can stop worrying so much about the Fed. If the numbers continue coming out well, maybe, just maybe, we should be able to see ETFs are buying, you think? They should. There was massive outflows yesterday. If we ask Grok, what the inflow / outflow yesterday, December 19th, the BTC ETF saw a net inflows of $438 million. Absolutely crazy. We don't know how much the outflows were, but on inflows, we saw $438 million. So they are still buying. They're still buying. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Those two candles went up fast. Well, this is a 5-minute time frame. So 5-minute does react extremely fast. This is why I enjoy trading on it, especially on high leverage. We're about to go up and test overhead demand. So let's see what happens. But I am thinking we're going to see a solid recovery today. And we could see prices just start bouncing back very, very strong. Very strong. But let's wait and find out. Ask Drog, based on everything we know, what is BTC going to in 2025? Let's find out. Alright, Grok is indicating the price prediction here based off 16 web pages and 15 tweets. We're looking at anywhere between 115,000 to 121,000. Some high-end predictions are saying anywhere between 200 and 233,000. Low-end predictions are 155 to 115,000. Wallet Investor says maximum of 121,000 for Bitcoin. That's for 2025. So we're going to wait and find out. I mean, of course they're buying because most of the ETF users are long-term holders probably. Or I'm wrong. No, yeah. Stock investors, they don't buy for the weekend. They buy for the long term. Like real long term. All right, we are finding resistance right on our trend line right now. On our 5-minute, it is showing we could be selling right now. Let's check out our 15-minute. Let's see if I can get into a trade. 15-minute, not quite at my red line. Gotta wait. Hello, Mr. Flounder. Everyone says ETH is the best hodl play, second to Bitcoin. I personally think there are so many better options. What is your number 2 pick to hold long term? Right now, I would say AVAX. AVAX is my number 2. Just my personal thing. I like AVAX a lot. Looks like Bitcoin is finding tons of resistance off this trend line. Yikes. What options ETF buyers want have to sell if they don't want? Wait, what? With options, ETF buyers won't have to sell if they don't want. That's true. That's very true. But also remember, today Bitcoin, is it today? I don't know. But yesterday, Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF got accepted. So it's a coupled ETF. So if people buy into that one, they're going to be buying both Ethereum and Bitcoin together. And that will be listed on the NASDAQ. So the SEC approved it yesterday. We'll see how long it takes for it to get integrated. But big news for Bitcoin. Big news for Ethereum. We could see what happens. Fidelio, so yeah, hopefully that answers your question. Ethereum, it's not bad. It's just right now the ETFs haven't really taken effect on it. I think the Ethereum network is garbage, but that's just my personal opinion. I don't like it. I do like the AVAX network, and I feel like it's completely undervalued. I think I'm going to jump into a short right now for Bitcoin. I'm expecting some big time downside. Some big time downside. If this plays out, we could see Bitcoin falling another 5.47%, getting absolutely decimated on the day. Wild. We're getting that sell signal right now. Let's jump into it. We're going to go 75x short. We're going to market into this thing. Let's see what happens. 75x short, 96733. We're going to put our stop loss just above this. 96. Yep, 96291. 96291. There we go. Possible 42% loss here. Let's see what happens. AVAX is Avalanche? Yes, it is. It is Avalanche. So let's see if we rally back up and we break this high, or if we actually continue down. I may have gotten in a very bad entry here, but we will see. Well, that ruined your bedtime vibes. Hey, man. It's the 5-minute time frame. Don't let it get you down. Don't let it get you down. This is the thought process here. It's not a very good looking wedge, but it's an honest wedge. Could see a 3% drop, setting a higher low. So two places are here. Peace later, Rich. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. All right, we got to get into virtual. We got to get into CSPR. Let's just go ahead and put an alert for this 3% downside. And let's also put an alert for, actually we already got the alert, 90,588. Maybe we get stopped out right now. Maybe we get the breakout. Maybe we're smartest people on this planet. Who knows? Who knows? I like the look of this though. You're hitting that demand line and you're getting sell pressure. I listened to the stream. I can't watch, so I appreciate you calling of prices and details. No problem. No problem. That's just the way I talk. So I'm glad it's working out for you. So yeah, on the 3% move, 92,809 would be the target. And if it continues, we would end up seeing 90,588. Let's see if we get the breakout. I'm going to bet in the opposite direction. So we have the possibility of getting a 4x. Possibility of a 4x. Let's see how it goes. 75x short in play. Rough times in the market. Rough times. Let's go to virtual. Virtual next. That's really virtual protocol. Okay, sweet, awesome. That's a thing. This thing's new. No, it's not. Not new at all. Okay, I was wrong. Anyways, right now, current level of support. You're so low. So low on that level of support. 50 cents is your most recent level of support. Anybody trying to buy at these prices? Terrible idea. That's way too high. It's a straight line up. Terrible idea. You're overbought on the weekly. I mean, massively overbought. You're expecting this thing to cool off. Going into your daily, you are cooling off. That's what you're doing. You put in some bearish divergence. That's great. You got that higher low. That's wild, though. I mean, geez. I hope you're not asking me to buy in. Because if you are, I don't think it's a great idea. But then again, I don't give financial advice. Currently, the level of support you're looking for is $1.78,185. If you can hold that, awesome. But yeah, this is looking bleak. Looking bleak. On the daily, you also have support sitting at 130.22.9. So there's that. Going into your 4 hour. Oh wait, you just lose a level of support? You did. Yikes. Right there, 245, 324. You were utilizing it as support, and then you broke through. At best, I'm thinking maybe you get a bearish back test before you roll over. That's at best. Going over to your 4 hour. 4 hour. You're catching bids, but you never got oversold. This is giving you an opportunity to continue to the downside. You have a very strong down-sloping resistance sitting right here. So even if you do pop up, you're expecting to find resistance there. Going into your 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, you're getting a death cross right now, showing the trend is not your friend anymore. The trend is trending down. It's really trending down. It's not your friend. Right now, this level is acting as your resistance. It is set up absolutely perfectly for a short. Absolute perfectly for a short. You would be now looking for support at $1.80,396 for this particular asset. Virtual looks like it could be coming down a bit. Looks like it could be coming down. I'd be looking for 20% downside for virtual. Sorry to deliver the bad news if you're a long-term holder, but profit taking is always a good idea on things that look like a straight line up on the weekly. Always a good idea. 15-minute, giving you a sell signal right now, looking like this could start happening in the extreme near future. There you go. Tried to break out a few times. Now that sell pressure, along with Bitcoin pulling back, could get a little nasty today. Could get a little nasty. That is virtual. Until you break out of this down-sloping level of resistance, I'm being completely serious. This was an absolute perfect setup for downside. You almost got to your 50% retrace, which is a common retrace, to then roll over and continue seeing downside. You're looking anywhere between your 1272 and your 1618 when it comes to areas of taking profit on a short. So 1272 is at 180,396. Your 1618 is sitting at 155,087, which is 31% downside from where you're at. Keep this in mind while you're looking at virtual. You could be seeing a ton of downside. If you lose 178.85, you could see 130.229. Moving on, let's check out Casper. Casper Labs. Looks like we're moving in to try and confirm a bottom. I love to see it. I love to see it. This would actually be a formal backtest too. So with CSPR, if I'm being completely honest, I would prefer if it backtests 11.0165. What was the question on this one? If it could get back to what? Cast, no. Where is it? Okay, I don't know who asked for this one, but yeah, flash sale. I think it's more than a flash sale. I think it's more than a flash sale. What is up? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Yeah, Jermaine, I think it's slightly more than a flash sale. Slightly more. I think we're downtrending at this second. At this second. A little bit of a downtrend. Anyways, right now for Casper Labs, you're finding support off your previous highs. That's cool and all. I would have greatly appreciated if you could test 11065. Currently, what is acting as very strong support. We are seeing 14716. If this holds for the day, this could be extremely strong to the upside. Where's the next support level for virtual? I missed the numbers. We'll go back to it. But yeah, if this holds support right here, extremely strong support, because you also held another level at 13719, and you held it twice. That's great. You're not even oversold yet, though. That's kind of a problem for me. Kind of a problem. So right now, we really do need to see what the daily candle closes for CSPR. Checking out the 4-hour time frame, you did get oversold. We do have this demand line to the downside. Demand line to the downside. Ooh, Bitcoin's still trying to catch a bounce. Are we even positive? We're positive by 15% right now. Could see more downside. Could go up. Interesting. Looks like it's trying to go up. Crypto guys are trying to pump it. Trying to pump it up. Alright, looking at this on the 1 hour. We have another demand line here. Yikes. Looking at it on the 15. -minute gives us a much better look at this. There you go. Right there. And there you go right there. It was an acceleration down. Yikes. Don't want to see those accelerations to the downside. But right now on the 15-minute, you are really trying to hold support. Sitting at 14716. This is impressive, actually. If you cannot break above and get above any of these demand lines, we are set up for more downside. What is the lowest price on Solana? And what the heck? Wait. WTH on the daily. I don't know. Bitco. Simon, we'll check out some Bitco. Ooh, looks like my short on Bitcoin is going to get stopped out. What a shame. Typo. Ethereum. We'll check it out. Once again, we're oversold on the 4-hour. The likelihood of it going down a lot further, it's kind of low. Kind of a low likelihood. Looks like my Bitcoin trade, I need to hop out of it. We're catching bids. Who knows? Pump up the jam, pump it up. Yeah, Bitcoin's going up right now. So it looks like Wall Street, going into the 1-hour close, wants to pump prices. I'm back into the negative on this trade. This is getting fun. This is getting fun. Are you guys having fun yet? I'm having a great time. Alright. So yeah, Casper, even if you decided to look at this right here, it's struggling to break out. Struggling. So to the downside, you could see 11065 if Bitcoin decides to continue dumping. To the upside, you could see Casper go all the way back up to 19689. I feel like that would be a weekend type thing. So we'll see if it happens. Bitcoin's really pushing up right now. Bitcoin was down a little over 2%, and now it's popping back up. Yo, James, thank you so much for becoming a member. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. TCO. Oh, you're jumping the line. I see you. Let me real quick just look at virtual again. I did say that I was going to do that. So the levels to the downside for virtual, you're looking at anywhere between 180,396 or 178,185. Or you could go as low as 130,229. So virtual it's just overextended. That's really all it is. Looking to go down. Looking to go down. All right. So, James, you wanted to check out lowest prices for Solana and Ethereum on the daily. Let's check them out. Solana. So right now, Solana is catching bids. What times do you usually live? Normally it's in the evening. So I'm just covering the morning time right now because I said I would last night. If this live stream goes well, then I'll probably do more live streams in the morning. But yeah, so normally it's 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then if I do more morning streams, we're going to be looking at around this time when market opens. I don't know how often I can do this though, because normally my daughter wakes up in about like 30 minutes, and I got to help out with that. Thank you, man. No problem, El Padre. No problem. Bitcoin fighting sell pressure again. Oof. So Solana on the daily. Let's go ahead and check it out. Support levels. The lows that you'd be looking for right now would be 177.38 and 163.02 if you do not hold support at 185.27, which currently at this moment in time you are holding support. We're gonna have to wait and see what happens throughout the day, but this could very well hold support. We just don't know right now. We have no idea. Intraday, a lot of things can happen. Wall Street could get crazy. They could start buying. There could be absolute craziness in the markets. So we're gonna have to wait and see. But yeah, you're looking to hold anywhere between 185.27, 177.38. If you can hold both those levels, super bullish. If you get below 163.02, well, now we have to start talking about how low could we go. Could be 137. That's on Solana. Let's check out Ethereum. On Ethereum, on the daily, if we lose the level we are currently at this very second, we could see price come all the way down anywhere between $3,054 or even as low as $2,988. So we really do need the daily candle close above $3,322. We really do need to hold it. Because if we don't, it's going to get real bad real fast. Ethereum is like sitting on shoestrings, trying to hold up while already losing the 50 simple moving average on the daily. Not a very good place for Ethereum. This is not ideal. And you are not oversold on the daily, so you have room to go down. Just keep that in mind. You have room to go down. 4-hour time frame, you're showing you are oversold, but after this candle, after this 4 hours, in the next 59 minutes, you will be out of oversold territory, allowing more room to fall. Mad respect. Hey, no problem, James. I'm just out here reading the chart. I'm not trying to do anything special, nothing great. I'm literally just reading what I see. Whales could change everything about this chart at a whim. The market is very small. Very small. I'm pretty sure Nvidia's market is like way bigger than the crypto market. Like the entirety of it. Ooh, Bitcoin's about to stop me out. Oh, Bitcoin's about to stop me out. Oh no. Bitcoin's holding support. It's pushing up. It's going to stop me out. Oh no. We got that wick to the downside, the fake out. Oh no. Bitcoin, what are we doing? Oh, that's rough. It's nice to interact. You've never gotten a response on YouTube? I think that's the big difference between like Twitch streamers and YouTube streamers. I started streaming over on Twitch. I didn't start on YouTube. But yeah, I'm noticing a lot of YouTube streamers, they don't talk to their chat, like hardly at all. Also, they do have like really large amounts of people, so I understand when you get lost in the crowd, but it is what it is. Man, with the interaction and response, I guess so. But no, I don't understand why go live if you're not going to interact with the chat. I don't get it. All right, we did have a request here for Bitco. I haven't forgotten about you, Simon. Let's go ahead and jump into Bitco. I was just checking out Bitcoin to see if it was ready to stop me out or not. Looks like the bulls are trying to stop me out. They are trying. The bears are fighting back. Damn. By the way, if we have any new viewers in here, did the thumbnail catch your attention? Because if so, I do like to know. If I don't have to use a thumbnail, I won't. I really won't. That fake out to the downside, though? Dang. Dang. Fake out to the upside? What are we doing? Oh my god. Alright, Bitco. Oh, is this a stock? Hold on, Simon, are you asking me to look at a stock right now? Simon, are you still here? I need some confirmation if I'm looking at a stock or not. Oh, it's a Bitcoin ETF. We can just look at Bitcoin, right? Okay. The COBE. Let's check it out. Yes, the ETF. All right. All right. Since it is an ETF, we got to look at it like a stock. Got to look at it like a stock. Oh boy. Oh boy, isn't this thing special? Terrible on the weekly. I'll tell you what. Terrible on the weekly. Why might US stock data look different? Stop it. They want your extra liquidity in big $25, right? They want it. Just came in because you saw I was live. Okay, all right. Well, hey, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Trying to get to 1K subscribers. Oh, we had that gap up. That's terrible. It's terrible. They are trying to stop me out. Those jerks. We're down 15%. No! We're losing it all. It was $23, all right? 23. It wasn't even 25. The fees got me. The fees got me. I think we're getting stopped out. Too bad. Too bad. We're going to let it ride, though. We're going to let it ride. Anyways, going to the daily. Daily's trying to reset right now. You're back in neutral territory. Nice to see that. God, these gaps, though. There's very low liquidity here. That's kind of a shame. When it comes to this ETF, all you want to do is maintain above 91.58. If you lose 91.58, you are more like, I guess also 87.47. If you lose both these levels, you are extremely likely to come back down to 72.43. You do have bearish divergence on the daily, so it just seems like this is a corrective wave down. No big deal. Nothing to worry about. If Bitcoin's doing well, which it's stopping me out right this moment. Looks like we're breaking to the upside, people. Breaking to the upside. helping you all out. Looking at your 4-hour time frame, 4-hour looks fine. You're losing your 50 simple. I would be looking for some support anywhere between 91.58 and 87.34. That's what I'd be looking for. But if Bitcoin does well, you're going to see this ETF start flying up. To the upside, your targets, they're actually pretty strong up here. You'd be looking for anywhere between 119 to 133. You're not oversold on the 4-hour either. You do have bearish divergence on the 4-hour. So wait for the reset. Just wait for the reset. You could see price come down to anywhere between 91.58 and 87.34. If you fall below that, 72.43. But as long as you're above it, you're in the clear. You're in the clear. So yeah, that's what I see out of BTC Co. Doesn't care about the thumbnail. All right. This is the feedback I need. That's the feedback I need. Because, like, if people don't care about the thumbnails, I just won't make them. I mean, do you realize me getting ChatGPT and Grok to hang out together and talk and make some images? It's daunting. I don't like it. No problem, Simon. No problem. So now staring at Bitcoin, our short is still in play. Oh boy, they tried. They're failing right now. Live on stream. We're still in the trade. Oh man. It's getting wild out here. I probably should raise my stop loss up to this candle high close at 96.471, but I don't even think I can. Oh, I can. Huh. Probably should raise it up to that. If I had proper risk management, my stop loss would be above these highs right here at 98,241. But we are trading on very high leverage because it's more entertaining. We're on a 75x leverage short. We're looking for a whole 5.47% downside move after the absolute nuking in the market. We're willing to settle for this 3% move to the downside on a higher low situation. That is where we are willing to settle. If you guys haven't hit the like button yet, please hit the like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1K subscribers. Last I checked, we're only at 862. I got a ways to go. Help the small guy out. We're at 864. All right, just check. We're at 864. So we are 136 subs away from greatness of that sweet, sweet ad revenue. All right, currently we have been live for about 1 hour, 25 minutes. Yeah. We got no more requests. I'm surprised. Morning time, less requests. That is surprising. But I do think I'm going to get on out of here. I'm going to go get some breakfast. I'm going to see if my daughter's awake. And yeah, go about my morning routine as normal. Also, I got to go and train people. And today is going to be a day. It's going to be a full day for me. But I will be back later on tonight. So if you guys have not done so, please like, please subscribe. Also, join the Discord. I will be in the Discord as much as I can. But yeah, I do actually have a busy day today. Oh boy. Go for Ondo USDT. We'll check out Ondo real fast. Bitcoin's getting that breakdown right now. Oh no. 3% downside could be in play. Looks like the short is still alive. No. Okay, go for it. Enjoy your day. Time with your fam. I will after I check this chart for you, because I'm that guy. Just remember me as you become a millionaire, okay? Remember me. Anyways, Ondo on the weekly, you saw this straight line up, so automatically I made a YouTube video dedicated to Ondo where I'm like, yo, this thing's a little bit too hyped up. And you know what? It pumped up after that. Now we're rolling over. I was, what, a week, 2 weeks early on calling the pullback? Goodbye, Porgy. Thanks for the chart. No problem, Simon. No problem. 100% you're my... Whoa. I'm married. I'm not your man. I'm my wife's man. All right? Right now on the weekly, we do have major overhead resistance sitting at $2.03. You're shorting Ondo right now? Smart move. Smart move. Checking out your daily time frame. You are getting your bearish divergence to start playing out. This is nice to see. I hope everyone is trading alpha. Yo, we got to. Are you talking about the coin alpha? Because I was looking at alpha the other day and I was like, wow, this thing actually looks like it's a great accumulation range. You're my sec man. Oh boy. Oh boy. So currently right now you're in a range for Ondo. If you break back above 178.90, you're likely to go back to test 2039, which would be a bearish back test, could be a double top, could be awful, could be absolutely terrible. I would be expecting price to come back down to 137.951, but in reality, it is extremely likely if you lose that price, you could be going back down to 108.657. Extremely likely. Let's go ahead and check in on that Bitcoin trade. Bitcoin trade still in the red. No. Anyways, going into the 4 hour. 4 hour, not oversold. Not oversold. No, just profits? Gotcha. Gotcha. Demand line and acceleration. Yikes. So we're getting that acceleration to the downside. That 4 hour candle's trying its damnedest to look amazing. You have 47 minutes left on the 4 hour candle. Your 1 hour is literally showing, if you turn around here, great time for a short. You have resistance sitting at 17144. You wicked into it once already, which even more acceleration to the downside. Yikes. Finding a lot of resistance right there. A lot of resistance. Going into your 15-minute. 15-minute time frame, you can see perfectly how much resistance that is. So if you were shorting this on a new short, if you believe the demand line is going to hold because you got a sell signal on the CCI indicator, you could be seeing Ondo coming all the way down to 138.806. That is a possibility, provided you do not break above 188.30. Ondo very well could be seeing a 17.4% downside move. Damn, son. That's wild. If it happens to break out and hits our demand line over top, we would then readjust our fib level up to this high here, where we could see price come all the way down to 135.275. Ondo not looking great. Not looking great, in my opinion. So that's the Ondo chart. That's what I'm seeing. Let's see if you get the breakout. Let's see if you get held down. Your 5-minute time frame is showing the breakdown could start. Damn. Too bad. 5 minutes shows it wants to. 15 minutes shows it kind of wants to break out. The market's going up, down, sideways, going insane. Whew. Keep those stop losses tight, people. Keep those stop losses tight. I'm going to get on out of here. I'll see you all later tonight. Take it easy. Deuces. I'm out. Later. We got stopped out of the Bitcoin trade. Oh no! Bitcoin's going up. Breakouts are happening.